Hello friends, in this lecture we will see curve point drive method to cut this curve. This curve is projected over the surface and my curve is this. Okay, this is the planar curve and I have already projected this on the surface. So how we will work, I will tell you. This is the tool which I am going to use. Okay, double click over it and angle is 15 degree and fluid length is 5. Okay, and okay, so I'm going to use this tool, okay, for engraving operation. So workpiece is already defined. This is the workpiece and blank I have taken as a offset zero point 0.5. Now create operation and here we have this curve drive option. In curve drive option we can create the tool path over any curve. So curve we have already here. Click OK and my curve is this. We can select this planar curve. Okay, and from the geometry I'm selecting this area and rest is the same. Multi depth, for the multi depth this option is here, just generate it and let's see the preview, then we will add this multi depth. Okay, it is cutting 5 mm in a single stroke. So here enter this zero point 0.5 as a stroke and number of passes 2. Okay, and generate. Now it is cutting this depth in 2 passes and slow the speed and see the result. Okay, in 2 passes it is going to be cut this one. Or we can do one more thing, just close it. Here in this main I have selected this planar curve, so delete it and I'm going to select this curve. Now generate it again. The curve may be a planar or any contour curve, it doesn't matter, it will create the toolpath for the curve. Okay, and okay, and if you want to generate the toolpath, the CNC program, so click here and my pawn of 3 axis is my controller. Okay, so hope you understand this properly.